Guys, it's me, Maddie from Maddie Seashore. And today I'm on Emmy's channel. What the heck is that? Oh, that's a sequence. And I had a sleepover with. That's just my foot. I get distracted easily. Okay, I had a sleepover with Emmy Vlogs today, or last night, I should say. And we just woke up. Well, I just woke up like a few minutes ago. And I'm going to wake her up. You can't see her at all. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm not covering the camera. Okay, so let's see when she wakes up.
Why are you holding my tablet?
I'm not. Why would I be holding your tablet?
I don't know. You can play on it, I guess.
Can you turn on the light?
Yeah, sure.
There. Now it's actually a little bit brighter.
What do you want to do today?
I don't know.
What are you playing? Can I see?
Well, I don't really want you to see.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Because it's not that important.
When are we going to do that new video?
What new video?
You said we were going to do a new video today.
Oh, yeah, about that. We're going to do that later. Like, after we have breakfast and stuff.
My pajamas are huge. My mom wanted me to wear them. I told you this last night, but I want to tell you it again because you weren't really listening. Because you were in the bathroom. Yeah, I'm weird.
See, guys, she admits it. So, why don't you just do some things that you normally do in the morning? Not stuff that you normally do on a sleepover.
Girl. Fine. I usually like stretch because my it's not like from Madison. It's like it's not from your video, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna stretch like Madison now. It's because I actually need to though, because it actually my knee can hurt and like my knee hurts.
That's the same with me. Excuses, excuses.
Wait, it's like this.
Sorry, I got some more blood so pink. Up it goes and down it drops.
We should drop things like outside sometime. Like we could just do it from tops up and like drop heavier things and like
See if it'll break.
maybe. I don't know. But nothing important maybe.
Yeah.
That could be a video. Ow! My foot! My foot!
The foot of the
Wait.
foot.
How did you sign in with my tablet? I had a password on it.
Remember last night you signed me in?
I don't remember it, but maybe I'm just tired.
Yeah, you're just tired.
Do you want your glasses?
Yeah, thanks. Can you help me?
Why?
They're hard.
Trying to be so careful with my tablet.
Yeah, I'm kind of. Thank you for helping.
Can I use this brush? Because I know you don't like it and I need to brush my hair. Because I straighten my hair, like, when I, like, was doing my stretches, because I was like this, and then I was like, nah, and can I, so ready?
Okay, so,
Can I sign in with your Chromebook?
like to your account?
Yeah.
No, but you can sign into my account.
Can I sign in with mine, please? I want to try it. Okay, well, Well, then just sign in. Why are you holding it like that, though?
I don't know, because I want to.
Oh, it's not like it's filming or anything.
Yeah. Hey, when the ponytail. Yard if you can, don't press me. Hard and try to test me.
Hi, I'm Steve. I drive a car. It's in a tree. Just kidding. My name's not Steve. I'm filing for an extension on my taxes because I didn't pay them, and I'm not going to because that's the way.
This is boring.
What? What?
Start. Skip. Why don't you go in the bed or something?
I don't want to. I want to watch it with you.
Okay.
Check it out. I.
Oh, I have something I love.
What?
I need to. Okay, so it's. It was like, what was it called? I love Perry Grip. It's like so awesome. I'm gonna see what you're doing.
No.
Let me see. It's my tablet. Give me it.
Fine.
You were filming me.
Yes, I was.
No.
You did it to me like twice, so.
Come on. You could have zoomed out. Like you zoomed in so much. Like you're so zoomed in.
I like zooming in.
Don't zoom in so much. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna show the Perry. I'm gonna show the Perry Grip song I wanted to do.
What's on cupcake?
That's not it.
Breakfast burrito.
Okay. This is not it. I was gonna do It's Raining Tacos. Oh, no.
Wow.
I know, Phil.
My day. Breakfast burrito.
Well, I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and I will never see Madison again because she did that to me. But
You did it to me twice.
fine. But I hope you guys like the video, and see you guys next time.